Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how you can transfer money from Stripe to your bank account in 2025. So if you are using Stripe for your online business, payouts happen automatically, but I will show you how you can check your balance, set up the payout schedules and manually transfer the funds to your bank account as well. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on stripe.com. Then you need to simply sign in into your business account if you haven't already. So once you signed in on the home page itself, you are going to see your gross earnings and your net profit of today. Basically, it is going to show you the available balance, the pending payments, and the payout history as well from your home screen. So once you have it, you just have to simply click on your name here on the top, then go to the settings of your Stripe account. Here in your settings, you just have to simply go to the bank accounts and scheduling. In your bank accounts and scheduling, you just have to simply try adding your bank account. So after providing your bank account details here, you just have to simply add it here, and it will take some time to verify your bank account, which is going to take around 1 to 2 business days depending on your country. Now, as you already know that Stripe transfers the funds automatically based on your payout schedule. By default, it is set to daily with 2 to 7 business days delay depending on your region and the account history. You can also change it anytime you want, like you can just change it to the weekly, monthly, whichever you prefer. So here again, in order to change it, simply go to settings, then you are going to see the option of payments. So when you are in the payment section, you can select the option of payment schedules. So here in the payment schedules option, you can select how do you want to schedule your payments. Now, if you want to withdraw your money manually over here, Stripe also offers their instant payouts option. So you can just simply go to the balances tab here, and here you are going to see the option of payouts. So you just have to select that, then add your bank account and confirm your transaction by adding the amount that you want to withdraw from here. So this way you will be able to withdraw from Stripe to your bank account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.